As you can see, where I am is very cold. And if you were to ask me, where do you want to go on vacation? I would tell you, tropics please, which is why I named this channel what I did. One of my favorite places to go in the tropics is Kauai, Hawaii, for the waterfalls. And we found this tiny little town called Ashland, Wisconsin, which we've dubbed the Kauai of the Midwest because it's got Kauai on a competitive trail. And that is because if you go to a specific town in Kauai called Kapa'a, every direction, a half hour to an hour, is another waterfall. And in this place, it's the same thing. You go to Ashland, go to a half hour in every direction, you find multiple sets of waterfalls, and we want to treat you to that. Check them out, enjoy them, and at the end of the video, if you like it, please like the video, but also subscribe because we've got more videos coming from the tropics for you. Our first hike to our waterfall adventure in northern Wisconsin. Now we're going through this beautiful pine forest. This place is going to be amazing. Falls. We are in northern Wisconsin. Alright, so we just conquered Morgan Falls, our first waterfall on our waterfall tour in northern Wisconsin. Well worth it. Very quick from the parking lot to the falls. No sweat at all for anyone of any fitness level.
With strollers.
You want some strollers to be brought back there, you can. It's pretty flat.
Nice wide trail.
Nice wide trail and this beautiful bridge. Okay, bye-bye. Alright, we're calling Ashland, Wisconsin the Kauai of the Midwest because of all its waterfalls, and then we had to get a shot of this right here because Kauai is known for its one-lane bridges. So check this out. Going back. There she blows. We were headed to another set of falls, and then we realized we were right by Copper Falls State Park. So we're coming to see the two waterfalls here, Copper Falls and I believe Brownstone Falls. Should be pretty epic. So we made it to Copper Falls in about 1 minute. Very easy trail. We can't go down in the gorge or we're gonna get busted. We would love to, but because look at this. For a second here. Made it to Brownstone Falls, 3 steps away from Copper Falls. Super fast. Crazy beautiful. Wish we could climb down in the gorge, but I don't think the sparks are gonna allow that. We'll get busted for sure. So we saw Brownstone Falls. Didn't realize that this set existed as well. Check it out. Beautiful.
Woodpecker heaven.
Babe, which one is this?
What?
Which one is this?
Tyler Forks and Bad River.
It's a bad river.
Bad.
Check it out. It goes down there, and up here, and then there's another one, and over there, goes down to the same spot, and then there's another road. Overall, Copper Falls, Brownstone Falls, or the Forks called, Forks in the Bad River.
Yeah.
Falls were awesome. Very easy hike. All pretty chill. First two views of Copper and Brownstone are very easy to get to. Then you got some stairs. Down and then up. Other than that, real good, real smooth. What do you say, babe? 2 thumbs up. Bye bye. The other view of Copper Falls.
Impressive. Go either.
You don't often get to get this close to a deer, so I had to film it. It's probably used to people at this park, so I'm going to get as close as I can. I know that I'm going to walk into tall grass. I don't want to get ticks. They either have a tick warning. Check this out. Hey there, baby girl. Or man. Got antlers. I think that's as closest I'll ever get to a deer with a camera. Alright, we've done a lot of waterfalls today. This is the last one for today. Potato River Falls. You're warned at the very beginning, 131 stairs. If you ain't ready, don't do it. Alright, you ready? 131 going down. Potato River. Great fish. We just did the upper falls of Potato River Falls, 131 stairs, something Smiley and I do in our sleep. And then this couple came in and told us there was a lower falls just beyond the camper where we parked. We would have missed it and missed it. And what Smiley said when I said, "Are you up for it?" said, "We can't not do it." This one is 197 stairs. We about to get it.
Yeah.
Right, Smiley? You gotta keep smiling. That's your nickname. 197. Let's get it. So this is the lower. Will most certainly trump the upper. They're humongous. Okay, Smiley just got her. What was that thing called?
Pacer app.
Pacer app going. It said activity started. We watched the Doppler radar, which Smiley's very skilled at, to find the only feasible set of waterfalls that wasn't getting rained on, because we were getting poured on this morning in Ashland, Wisconsin, otherwise known as the Kauai of the Midwest, as we've named it. And we're going by this beautiful lake. On our way to Upper Manitou Falls in, what's this place called? Pattison State Park. We're just about to Duluth, Minnesota over here. And we're about to venture at what they say is Wisconsin's highest waterfall. It looks pretty beastly. We're excited. If you heard that car horn, that was probably from someone trying to walk through the street. Is it the underpass we're supposed to go on? It said underpass to there. Cool. Tunnel to the other side. Here we go. Alright, we're here. We're at the top. Really soft sounding set of falls. On the lead up. But you can hear it right away after we went through the underpass of the highway. And now we're at the top. Soon we'll give you the ultimate view. Come on, that just says climb down. It's already raging here. Can't wait to see it tumble to the base. It's gonna be stinking huge! Well, this is definitely the right view. Oh yeah. We got them all over Wisconsin. Alright, you ready? Monster. Alright, we made it out of, what was it called? The Big Dog Manitou Falls. Now we're going to the Little Dog Manitou Falls. We're hoping that there's a little less action out here so we can climb around. Or up there, it would have been Ranger. Here's your ticket. We're going out in the gorge like every human being longs to do. Be one with nature. Yeah. Smile. Yeah. Little Manitou, not to disappoint, baby. Woo! Let's go get closer. So I figured I'd fill you in on why we call it the Kauai of the Midwest, Ashland, Wisconsin, that is. It's because all these waterfalls are within a half hour or hour, and this one's an hour and 15 minutes of Ashland, Wisconsin, which is very similar to whether or not you're in Princeville or you're in Kapa'a on the island of Kauai. About the same in every direction to different falls. It's awesome here. We love it. Bridge like Kauai. Now we're at Amnicon Falls. There are an upper and a lower, like we've become accustomed to. Super sick, no real DNR signs saying you can't go out trail. That's what I'm talking about. So covered bridge, pretty dope. In between the upper and lower. I'll show you the upper first. Always good when it rains in the morning to make the waterfalls full. Okay to be on camera?
What's up?
Spectacular! Boom! The upper falls. Raging! Finally just found another set called Snake Pit Falls. We're headed down there next. Smiley found another set. Now we're at the Now and Then Falls. Still Amnicon State Park. Absolutely amazing. I call them the Adam and Eve Falls. Let me get in the shade here. Amnicon Falls State Park takes the cake of this whole northern region because they don't restrict you from actually enjoying and being right next to the waterfalls, climbing around in the gorge. Absolutely spectacular here. Kudos to you at Amnicon State Park, the clear winner of all the falls in the area. I plan on starting a new playlist called Endless Kauai. I've been there many times. Many gorgeous vistas and hikes and all kinds of sea life with the snorkeling videos. I look forward to you continuing to return to the channel.